So, I make a video about dinner party on the, I already did, so, I'm making a video about the other video I got an owner, mom, wait, I'll show you with me. It's the helicopter. Okay, I do it on the shade, helicopter. It was rated on the whiteboard. It cut the wind, it's windy. Put here a camera, put here and on. But I put the brake right there, so keep it far away. You know what? I changed the plan. This ship right there. Wait. I have to pause it. Okay, something is wrong with this. I don't know what, but and I'll put it all. Now I see a problem. Now I see a problem like this. Wait. It did pulling this really big. But don't worry that I'll put on up bugging you with the freaking helicopter. I put brake in there. So wait. See the pill right there? Very old flavor. They're not selling one of these. They're not selling Halloween ones. So, Mom don't want me okay. It would take a long time to upload. So, they show you Frankenstein. Frankenstein happened manually. That didn't come out wrong. It's Frankenstein I think they put man face and make things done. And pumpkin right there and a pumpkin right there. It's hot. Wherever more here the bigger ground probably show one on the street. The pill is moving right there. It's pretty moving. And another pill right there. They're not moving. Watch that. Probably getting stuck there. They turn and not quick it and turn it thing up the weight. Like I say. They turn and not quick it. Okay, bye. And it's orange and black and clear.